Welcome to Vitoria-Gasteiz, situated in the northern Spanish province of Álava, capital of the Basque country. The city and surrounding region prides itself on its reputation for industry, high-precision engineering, the exhibition centre and much more. Álava offers great opportunities to companies looking for efficient logistics facilities, fast routes and international multimodal connections. At the same time, the medieval district, with its beautiful historic buildings and cultural heritage, has embraced the creation of a modern, award-winning green city, with glorious parks, sports facilities, world-famous cuisine and the highest quality wines. It's a popular and friendly place to live, and I'm going to find out more about why people think this is the perfect place to base your European logistics base. Eduardo, thank you so much for joining us today. Now, the Álava Chamber of Commerce supports and promotes the region's business. So what do you offer foreign companies who are looking to locate their manufacturing or distribution or logistics base here?
Well, I think we have a good package of facilities and solutions for the new coming companies. We are a fast-growing economy, at this moment the fast-growing in the Western Europe. And we have a very stable situation in the politics. So I think the balance is quite good, especially if you consider that this is one of the largest GPD industrial region in Europe. So you have all those characteristics that an industrial region have. You have industrial culture, you have companies in the logistics, you have companies in the industrial, local and multinationals, you have technological centers, you have everything ready to be used.
Enrique, how well placed is Vitoria for access to Europe?
Well, I would say you are at the right place. We are in a crossroads. We are in an axis south-north, from the south of Spain to central France and central Europe. We have all the integrators are operating here, which have the right access to Europe and the rest of the continent. Also, we have road feeder services departing from the airport every day. We have the seaport of Bilbao. We also have our airport, Vitoria International Airport. And these two infrastructures, they are ranked in the top 5 of the Spanish facilities.
Mercedes is one of the world's leading automotive companies and has been building vans here in Vitoria for 65 years. The company is Vitoria's biggest employer with a workforce of 5,000. Raul, thank you so much for joining us today. How easy is it to recruit here?
With a combination of the government commitment, especially with the dual training, plus the universities we have around here and the technical college, we have been able to get the people skilled in the way we need to produce this type of vehicles.
So would you recommend other companies invest in this region?
It's clear that if we are here and we have been here for so many years, it's because it's a good place to invest.
And the city itself is surrounded by a green belt, which is very attractive to the people coming in.
Which means the quality of life is...
It's great.
The deep water port of Bilbao, or Superpuerto, can handle large-sized tankers and shipping containers. It's the 4th largest port in Spain and 70 kilometres from Vitoria. Luis, thank you so much for joining us today. Now, as its main infrastructure in the Basque country, can you tell us about the connections between Vitoria and the port and how they might evolve in the future?
Álava, Vitoria is our main inland logistics platform. Vitoria, Álava and the Port of Bilbao has always been connected, especially nowadays that we have an excellent road connection, and now we have excellent rail connections too. More than 2-3 trains per week are coming from Álava, from Vitoria, more than 2 million tons per year. We have a very good customers in Vitoria, in Álava, industry, iron and steel, wine export. So the Port of Bilbao has always been the serving Vitoria and Álava and Vitoria serving the Port of Bilbao.
The worldwide integrator UPS operates in Vitoria and has chosen its international airport as a key connection between the main European hub in Cologne and the rest of the Iberian Peninsula. So Carlos, why is your enterprise located here in Álava?
Euskadi is one of the most industrialized areas, and it has also a high investment in research and development. It has also a strong manufacturing sector in key industries, in multiple key industries, like ranging from automotive to aeronautic.
World-famous integrator FedEx has recently established a ground services operation here in Vitoria. Paloma, can you tell us the function of this operation?
Yeah, here in Vitoria, as in the rest of the world, FedEx is providing a global range of products. We can say air, ground and domestic, and also special services. FedEx is the largest transportation company in the world, and we are giving services among more than 220 countries. For FedEx to be based in Vitoria is quite strategic. Vitoria is in the center of the Basque Country, and for FedEx is giving the possibility to serve our customers and giving the service they deserve, and it's a key market for us. FedEx is really committed to be here with this second premise that we just recently opened.
The region of Álava is famous for its aviation background, going back to the early days. Established in 1999, Ionova is a leading aerostructures company and has major contracts with worldwide aircraft manufacturers like Boeing and Airbus.
Ionova is a world-class aerostructures, component and engineering service provider. Basically, our portfolio includes products like fuselages, wings, empennages, mobile surfaces. And we basically work for all major customers in the aviation industry: Boeing, Airbus, Sikorsky, Bell Helicopters, Embraer, of course.
And what are the main benefits of being based here in the Mignano Technology Park?
Well, Mignano Park is really the perfect location. It's very close to Vitoria, very well connected to the key communication spots in Spain and in Europe. Besides, it has all the infrastructure, services, and the image that we require to run our business.
And how do you benefit from the logistics facilities here in Álava?
Álava is one of the main, more important logistic hubs with, as I said before, with very good communications and the right infrastructure for any business related to logistic chains.
Thomas, thank you so much for joining us today. Now, DHL has been based at Vitoria Airport since '94. Can you tell us about an average night here in the warehouse?
We have 22 air movements plus more than 50 truck movements every day. We serve 11 destinations from Vitoria, in and out.
Wow, so it's a good airport for your operation.
Yes, it is. We don't have any curfew issues, we don't have any filling issues. Our packing stands are really close to our facilities, so that's the time we save to sort our material inside and be ready to depart on time.
And what are the logistical benefits for local businesses?
We have a lot of industry around the area, so they can be working during the day, and we can pick them up their shipments every night to ensure we deliver next day in Europe or in 2 days all over the world in more than 220 countries.
And do you get a lot of support from local authorities?
Yes, we do, and that has been like that for ages. This is part of our growth. We really work with them closely to ensure we are working and growing in the next few years.
So as you can see, the Álava region offers truly outstanding opportunities for companies seeking solid investment, excellent logistics facilities, and easy access to multimodal routes. a highly skilled workforce ensure efficient and cost-effective operations while enjoying pleasant surroundings, schools, restaurants and cultural programmes. It's what makes this an excellent place to site your company's logistics base. To find out more, just use the contact details below.